Good Sunday afternoon, everybody. The reason it's Sunday afternoon is because I didn't get out of bed till 11:30. So I just had a breakfast. I've made coffee. It's now 12:15, and we're going to today make an attempt to tidy up my study area, or my desk area. Moving on. We did Michelle's Michelle's library. Now we're going to do my DVD room stroke editing room whilst listening to David Bowie on Alexa. So, moving on. Okay guys, that's stage one over with. We've actually sorted out my my desk area. What I need to do now is move all my stuff in and do some cable management, because obviously things like that.
Hello.
Hello. That was Alexa turning back on. But yeah, I'm just a little bit disappointed I need to figure out how to get power to this desk. Oh, okay guys, we have major problems then. I had 2 sets of batteries going. The gimbal went and the GoPro went, so you chuffed?
Very chuffed, really effective, a lot more effective than I was expecting it to be. I'm looking forward to seeing what you do with the space, but it's got to be less cluttered than it was. You know,
Oh yeah.
Space now for all your cameras and all your gubbins and
chargers and put all my cables and stuff away.
yeah.
All the bits and bobs that you need for a simple YouTube channel. Yeah. Obviously I want to tidy the top of that up.
Yeah, most of that's my stuff, so once I've had 5 minutes I'm gonna get up and take the books through the library and find a space for them. And
Yeah, there's some My Marvel comments there as well as the space for them.
yeah, there should be.
You know, in them folders.
Yeah, absolutely. There's space for them. Yeah,
Yeah.
no problem. Just put them in a space.
Okay, guys. Next room to be decluttered and actually completely deep cleaned is going to be the living room. So that room next, and then
The
dining room, and then that's the major one is your craft room.
Oh, don't even. I can't. Oh, me.
We may need to get that done for summer in case we get visitors.
Yeah, but I'm going to leave that till
You have to.
because it's depressing. I'm really glad I can just shut the door on it.
Yeah.
And our bedroom needs some more storage,
And the shelf.
some shelves.
And a light so I can read my book at night too.
And a light. Yeah, it needs a serious amount of storage. I want to get some tall chest of drawers to put in the cupboards and that sort of thing. So that'll be.
Throw away half our clothes.
That'll probably be next year now. Next year's bonus, more furniture.
See that? We spent out next year's bonus now. Anyway, with that, I'm going to have a cup of tea and relax for 10 minutes.